Okay, so the probability model, number 15 below, describes the number of repair calls an appliance repair shop receives during an hour. So then we got to figure out how many calls should the shop expect per hour and what's the standard deviation. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. So we got the expected number of calls. And the probability of no calls is 0.1. One call is 0.3. Two calls is 0.4. And three calls is 0.2. And if you do that out, you wind up with about 1.7 calls. Okay, so now to get the standard deviation, we first calculate the variance, or the standard deviation squared, and we take each of these values. So no calls minus the mean times the probability, plus one call minus the mean times the probability, plus two calls minus the mean times the probability. That's a 2, that shouldn't be there, it should be a minus. 2 minus 1.7, and then 3 minus 1.7 squared times that probability. And if you do all those out, you get a variance of 0.81. So the standard deviation equals the square root of 0.81. And if you do that out, you'll get about 0.9.